Oh, that's a bit heavy. Whew, wow. I think these ladies might need a super. Golly gosh, they've been flat out. Look at that lot. Golly gosh, sorry chicks. Let's get you off of this lot and we'll go and find you a super in a minute. Pop a little bit of honey in here. Try not to make too much of a mess. We'll have to go wash ourselves after this excitement, I think. Oh, living in paradise, they said. Mind you, they're doing it pretty good. They don't actually mind being in a daggy box, but I think they might need a new one. Anyway, it worked well catching the swarm. You want to lick the spoon? You know, when you were a little kid, you used to get into the blooming biscuit thing and want to lick the ladles. Remember one time you got your tongue stuck on the bloody thing and you couldn't get it out? That was funny. Well, it wasn't funny really for you, but I thought it was funny. Anyway, we rescued you. Cake mix all up your nose. It's so cute. Where does your life go, honestly? The lad's having his 30th birthday soon, so this is where I started young, isn't it? You know, for the most part, it's been a good ride. Had a few little hiccups along the way, but, well, little hiccups, fucking hell, big hiccups, but anyway. We're still here to tell the tale. We're keeping busy so we don't have to get too morbid about it all. Anyway, shut up, let's get this done. Oh. Heck, they are getting enthused. Look, they've even built stuff on the bottom of the bottom. Wow. And there's all eggs through there. Wow, she is going. This is definitely going to go off its chops. How am I going to sit this so that it doesn't go all crap? Maybe we'll sit it down there upside down for a minute. Oh my gosh, that's nice and light, isn't it? I'm just thinking this little box, they've got pretty hectic. They're a little bit honey blocked, so, which is, they've gone out as a new swarm and they've just collected a whole heap of honey. And so the queen's finding it a little bit hard to find a spot to lay some new eggs. She's got some little patches of very laid brood, well, it's only sort of half reared larvae. She's just got little strips where the honey's not at. So I'm going to lift the old box off, which I want to get rid of eventually anyway, and put it over here. And I'm going to put the new box on top of the base. Then we're going to shake all the bees on top of the new frames, put a queen excluder on, and then the bees that are nursing that larvae will go upstairs, and then eventually they'll build new stuff down on this new frames, and they'll have a nice lot of room. They'll have the honey stores upstairs, and there'll be breeding room downstairs. So that's what I'm planning. Rightio, chicks. What are we doing? Try not to hurt anybody, that'll suck. Golly gosh. Yep. It's not too bad for Missy. Being that this box was just a swarm box, and then I sat this on it, and they've been busy cleaning up. So this is all some of the old crap that was on those frames, and they've been busy tidying it up and cleaning out the frames, because now it's all on the bottom of the box. So I'm just making a bit extra double check that the boss isn't down here, because that'd be a bit of a bummer. I can't see her anywhere. Thinking I should shake it onto something rather than just on the dirt. I tell you what, there's dedication. He's gone and got his own jumper to shake the girls on to save them rolling around in the dirt. I guess he doesn't realise that his wife actually watches this show, so when she says, "Where the hell did you get all that stain and dirt on my bloody top? Why is my washing machine full of sand?" And he says, "I don't know, darling." And then the episode rolls in and she'll go, "Hey, I know how come I got sand in my washing machine. It's a bit like where the hell are my screwdrivers?" So, you know, you'll be in good company. Anyway, we're going to shake the bees on top of here. Cool. That'll get them organised. Hopefully most of them will just fly back anyway. But I just wanted to get this muck out the bottom of their box, because that's saving a bit of work. They've been very busy, they have. This is the joys of catching swarms in an old box. But anyway, it works good. It works a treat, so sometimes it's worth the aggravation. Just remember, you've got to tidy stuff up after you catch them. They're all coming back in the doorway and they're running around going, "What the hell?" The bloody tornadoes come and blowing our roof off. It's all right, chicks, there'll be a roof soon, don't panic. That's what happens when the pilot says, "Nobody panic, we've just lost the right engine." I always reckon it's interesting when they say, Here, the exits are here, here, and here. I figure, you know what? If you're at 2,000 feet, I don't think I'm jumping out no matter what. But I don't suppose that's the point, is it? I suppose it's if you happen to survive getting down to the earth, then it's of importance. Put them up there for a minute. Whew, right, yeah, that looks kind of square. We'll get them a new base as well shortly, but anyway, this will be what we're doing for the minute. Going to take those frames and shake the bees into here, but I want to put the frame in something, so I'm going to put the frames in this box, the opposite side, and then we'll go back around again and shake them back the other way. Yeah, we'll just make sure there's nobody important. You can see how they've filled all this up with nectar, and they've got this one little strip here that they can put some eggs in. And so we're going to give them plenty of room so they can build up, because they're rocking off. Oh, there she is. There's the boss. Cool. She's a nice looking queen. Look at her run. Ooh, nice and shiny, so that means she should be pretty new. Well, hang on. No, it's less shiny as new. Anyway, she's looking for somewhere to lay, you see. So we're going to give her some room. We can just be really slack and we'll just pop that frame in there now we found her, and we'll have the job done. That'll be a very slack idea. That'll work though. Then they could figure it out themselves, can't they? Well, I like that idea. That saved us a bit of time. And we'll put that back here. And we can put... far out. I'm just thinking we might as well change the whole thing up while we're at it. So we'll put those frames in the new box. We've just found the queen, put her in the bottom box. I reckon that's going to work a treat. And then this poor old box can become a swarm catcher again. Oh, try to get the name at the front. That'd be right, we got the name at the back. Shall we change that? We might as well. Oh, although we have to change this soon enough anyway. Nah, frigate. They might squash her. We don't want to do that. We got to change the base later anyway. So just note to self, when you're doing this, just remember to jolly well make sure where the labels are. That would be a good idea. Otherwise you have all sorts of excitement. So we'll pop these upstairs and we shall be all good. Then they can finish them off and we'll have a yummy citrus honey. Not that we've got a new lid, but that won't matter. Then they'll have a whole new lot of niceness to be in, won't they? Here's some older brood, but there's not too much room really. That's the trouble. Oh, that's the lucky last one. And we'll pop this frame up there. And they're all a little bit excited as to where the hell everybody went. They're probably looking for the queen at the moment, wondering where she is. Oh dear. So we'll just shake them out of this box on the top. That worked. They should be very happy with their new home. We'll pop this lid back up the top, even though we'll change that in a little while, but that'll just give them something that they're used to. Now they don't know what the hell happened. But at least they'll have some room to move, because if they got nowhere to bloom and lay eggs, they can't expand. So, if you put a super on, of course, they will move the honey out the way as well, but I wanted to change it anyway, so, because that whole box, I wanted to get rid of it. So it sort of works all the same. Nothing actually 100%, well, I'm sure somebody says it's 100%, but you've got to make up your mind about what's best for what hive when you're there working on them. So, you know, you just make the best decisions you can on the run. And with the resources that you have available too, for that matter. So, anyway, I reckon they look like they're going to be a nice little swarm. So we'll just get our little iPad out and fill out the details. And then we'll do the next two and we'll be all good. We'll just shake these few little nurse bees on the roof and then we'll be all good. And then we can pretend we did. Actually, I wonder, this actually might be a good jumper. We'll just drop into the bee sucker. Sorry, wives. Hang on. Toro! That's what it's going to be like in the laundry, I reckon. You better run.